Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Home Depot out in the garden center. Oh yes guys, it's time to do another walkthrough. In this video, we're going to start with the annuals, and on this table these are Home Depot plants, and these are the wave petunias. And guys, we only get, let's see, we only get 6 for $12.98. We only get 6 for $12.98. Oh my goodness. What is going on, guys? Okay, so they have it in the purple, the white, and then they have this purple, that light purple right there, this beautiful fuchsia. But yeah, we only get 6 for $12.98. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have the pansies. We only get 6 pansies too, guys, but at least the pansies are $9.98. Yes. Okay, the beautiful petunias. Oh yes, now all of these are by Home Depot. So the petunias in this one, they're $4.98. So the petunias, this one gets 6 to 18 inches tall. The spacing varies, water when dry. The habit is mounding. And this is a 1.31 quart size. This is an annual and it needs full sun. So they have it in this dark pink. This red is really pretty. The purple. And I'm sure they have white somewhere. Okay, moving on to another annual, which is this Snapdragon. They have it in all of these pretty colors. Yellow, pink, white, red. I see a peach back there. And do I see a purple? Well, I don't see a purple, but yes, let's look at the specs. Hi friends, I've changed my logo. The old one is to the left and the new one is to the right. $4.98 as well in a 1.31 quart size. The Snapdragons gets 12 to 15 inches tall. You want to space them 4 to 10 inches apart. Water when dry, and the habit is upright. On the beautiful Snapdragon. Okay, $4.95 guys on all of these over here. That red is pretty. Ooh, that purple velvet is gorgeous too. Alrighty, so let's move on around and see what else we have. A premium annual. So we have, ooh, look at this guys. This is the begonia. It is $5.98. It needs part sun, and yes, it is an annual. So let's see, it gets 8 to 10 inches tall. You want to space it 10 to 12 inches apart. Water when dry. The habit is mounded, and this is a 1.71 quart size. It is beautiful. Oh yes. So these begonias come in this beautiful yellow, this gorgeous red. Look at this orange. So pretty. Okay, so that's for these begonias here. So here we have more by Vigoro, guys. This one is the geranium for $7.98. It needs full sun. So this one gets 12 to 15 inches tall. You want to space it 6 to 8 inches apart. Water when dry. Habit is upright, and this is a 1.3 quart size here. For the beautiful geranium. This one is the zonal geranium. So it's in this pink and red. Okay, so this Snapdragon is a mixture here, guys. This one needs full sun, and this one is $9.98 by Vigoro. Of course, the habit is upright. It gets 8 to 36 inches tall. You want to space it 6 to 18 inches apart. Water when dry, and this is a 2.5 quart size. Yes, and these Snapdragons are mixed over here. Yeah, cutie. So here, guys, we have by Vigoro again are these daisies. So these are African daisies. They need full sun, and it is an annual. So this one is an upright plant. It gets 16 to 24 inches tall. You want to space it 24 to 36 inches apart. Water when dry, And this is a 2.5 quart size on the beautiful African daisy. Yes. Hanging pansies up here for $12.98. Just the solid colors, and then we have the mixed colors. Okay. More annuals over here, guys, and these are the Primrose. And this is a Home Depot plant. So the Primrose is $14.98 for a 0.8 gallon size. So the habit is mounted on this one. The height is 6 to 12 inches. You want to space it 6 to 8 inches apart. And water says check new transplants and hanging baskets daily. Okay, for the Primrose. It's also deer resistance, guys, and it is a mixed gardens. Look at this yellow. Ooh, purple, beautiful red or fuchsia. Yeah, this is fuchsia. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh-wee. It is beautiful. These pansies are $9.98. This one is a 0.8 gallon size here, guys, and it needs full sun. It gets 6 to 8 inches tall and space it 4 to 8 inches apart, and check for watering on the beautiful pansy. Okay, $9.98. Okay, they have these pansies in the black hanging pots, guys, for $12.98. Okay, so moving over to the perennials. This beauty here. Alrighty, guys, so our first perennial of the day is the Tickseed. It is $4.98 and it needs full sun. So the Tickseed gets 24 inches tall. You want to space it 12 to 18 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy, minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms late spring through summer, and we love that. Ooh-wee, long-lasting blooms on the Tickseed, and I love it. Alrighty, the next perennial, guys, is going to be this beautiful blue purple Lethia. You all remember when I used to say the Lethia. Oh yes, guys, another perennial. This one is called the Grace Ward. It gets 6 to 12 inches tall. You want to space it 12 inches apart. Hardy is minus 20. It blooms mid to late spring. Okay, and this is a 1.15 quart size for the Lethia. Alrighty, so we have Lethia in this pink here. Another beautiful color, and the purple. So we have choices on Miss Lethia, guys. Yes, Salvia, and the Salvia is $16.98. Another perennial. So this one is full sun. This one is a 1.5 gallon pot. This one gets 10 to 36 inches tall. You want to space it 10 to 24 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy is minus 40, and it blooms late spring to fall. Yes, 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 a beautiful perennial, guys. $16.98. I wonder if we can split this plant here. Let's move into some more tough perennials. And this one is the Fern, and this one is by Vigoro. On this table, yes, it's by Vigoro. So this one is a part sun perennial fern. It is $9.98. This is a 2.5 quart size. The habit varies on this one. It gets 8 to 30. This one gets 8 to 30 inches tall. You want to space it 12 inches apart. Water when dry, and hardy is 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yes, it's tough, guys. I'm telling you, this thing lasts through the winter. Woo-wee. But I pulled mine up because I was just tired of looking at them, and yeah, I did away with those, but they are tough plants. This one here, which is another tough plant, is a foamy bells. Is what this one is called. It is a Encore Aelas. This one needs part sun, and it is $9.98. So the habit is mounding. The height is 6 to 24 inches. Space it 10 to 18 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy -30. And it blooms late spring through the summer. Tough, tough, tough plant, guys. Bulletproof. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, moving on to this one. And this one is the sage. It is $9.98. It needs part sun. And this is a perennial grass, guys. The height is 6 to 20 inches. Space it 18 to 24 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy is 0 Fahrenheit. Blooms early to late summer. For the sage, this one is more of a yellow, and this one is variegated. For perennial dianthus, and my goodness, aren't these huge? Woo! These are $19.98, and this is a 3-gallon pot. It needs full sun, and this one gets 4 to 10 inches tall. You want to space it 10 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy is -40, and this one blooms early spring to fall. Long blooming plant, guys. I'm thinking about getting some of these perennial dianthus for this year. That's what I'm thinking about this year, guys. So beautiful, full sun, and they bloom all season long, so it's kind of like a win-win. Okay, 3-gallon pot here. This is another perennial full sun creeping phlox for $19.98. This one is the Purple Beauty. This is another 3-gallon pot. So this one gets 4 to 6 inches tall. You want to space it 18 to 24 inches apart. Water when dry, and the hardy is -40. And this one blooms late spring to summer. Oh yes. So this one, guys, this pink is gorgeous. Now this one is another full sun perennial, and it is called Pink Amia. And the habit is mounded. It gets 6 to 12 inches tall. You want to space it 10 to 12 inches apart. Water when dry. Hardy -40 Fahrenheit. Blooms late spring to summer. For the beautiful Pink Amia. Alrighty, guys, so we have some azaleas down here. We have Encore Aelas, and then we have some of the Home Depot azaleas as well. So the Encore Aelas, and these are $29.98. This is a 2-gallon here. It needs full sun. This one, the height varies and the spacing varies. Water when dry. The hardy varies, and it blooms. My goodness, the blooms varies as well. So everything varies on this Encore Aelas for $29.98. Now, if you purchase 20 or more, it's going to be $23.98 each. Okay. So let's see. Yes, 20% off Pro Shrubs with purchase of 20 or more with any combination of the below. Okay. So yeah, guys, and so these right here, this one is a part sun azalea. This one is the evergreen azalea. It is $24.98, or of course $19.98 if you're going to buy in bulk. Okay. All right, friends, they have trees over here. So we're starting off with these fruit trees. This one is a peach tree that needs full sun. It is $30.98. It is called Peach O. Henry. So the maturity, it varies. The spacing is 15 to 25 feet apart. Hardiness -20 Fahrenheit. Maintain moderately moist soil for this one. Okay. It gets 14 to 30 feet tall. So here we have a full sun nectarine. It gets 14 to 30 feet tall for $30.98. Space it 15 to 25 feet apart. The hardiness is -20. Starting to rain out here, so let's try to go on the inside. Woo! It's windy. I should be going to my car. Alrighty guys, so over here on this rack, these just came in, and these are the Summer Hill Landscape Hydrangeas for $24.98. Okay, they have this blue one, this pink one, and let me get the specs on this one right quick. So this one, you need to space it 30 to 36 inches apart. The zone is 5 to 10. Up to minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, it's getting ready to rain, so I'm gonna have to cut it off, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for your comments. I love it all. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey friends, don't forget my logo has changed, so it will be different here on out.